Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IGCSE Cambridge International Mathematics Extended, let us discuss about sets interval notation. Here, interval notation allows us to quickly describe set of numbering using mathematical symbols only. For example, look at here, set A, we can represent x is such that minus 4 is lesser to x and lesser to 3, lesser or equal to 3, and x is an element of R. This is a quick representation of mathematical representation of a set with interval notation. Now look at here. What does this means? It means the set A contains of all real numbers such that x lies between minus 4 and 2, including 2, because it is x is lesser or equal to 3. That means it may be like means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here this minus 4 is not there, since x is greater than minus 4. But here 3 is included here, since x is lesser or equal to 3. This is a set interval notation. Now, how to get in this form? Number line form here. Look at this is minus 3 to here. This is minus 4 here. Look at this is whole and this is a solid. Why? Because here 3 is included and 4 is not included. In between, those numbers are called set A, elements of set A. Now, for example, list all elements of set B such that x is such that x is minus 2 lesser or equal to x and greater to 4. How to list this number? And set is an element of Z and x is an element of an positive integer, then which is equal, look at here, this minus 2 is included, minus 2, minus 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 4 is not included, since x is lesser 4, not equal to 4. Next, set C. For example, set C equal to x is such that x is 0, 0 is lesser or equal to x and lesser equal to 5, where is that x is an element of natural number. In that, so we can say 0 is included here, 0, 1, 2, all are natural number, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is not included because 5 is lesser, 5 is greater than x, not equal to x. That is, here 5 is not included. Now, for example, set D is such that x is such that x is greater than 5, which means verbal meaning equal where x is an element of n, which means set D equal to in verbal meaning, right? Natural numbers, set of natural numbers greater than 5, greater than 5 means we can write D is equal 5 is not included here. 6, 7, 8, 9 is 1. Now, one more example cut here. Here, suppose this is 0, 1, 2. How to represent in verbal form of this set? This is here. Suppose set E is natural number greater than 2. Then 2. How to represent in interval form? X is such that x is greater than 2 and x is an element of natural number. Like this we can represent. Now one more interval form. Look at here. Then 1, 2, 3. How to represent an interval form? Here x is such that then x is greater than and 3, greater than or equal to 3 and lesser than -1. and also x is an element of n. In proper form we have to write like this as x is an element of such that x is lesser than -1 and greater or equal to 3, and x is an element of n. Here x is lesser than -1 and x is greater than +3. One more example. Set M is such that x is such that 1 lesser or equal to x lesser or equal to 10. X is an element of Z. Is the set is finite, means first we have to translate this set here. M equal x is greater than or equal to 1 and lesser than or equal to 10. That means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, it's finite because the set is limiting. Finite means it's not continuous mode, this finite set. So far we discussed about set notation in interval form as well as in graphical like line diagram. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.